cooking, and I hope you guys have gotten through this frigid week fine. Just wanted to let you know that when we had Dr. Darcy out a couple Saturdays ago, everyone who came out was really amazed. It was better than anything I could have imagined, and I know so many said they wish they could have come and couldn't. So we decided to get him set up, and we're going to host him on Zoom this next week, Tuesday the 23rd at 7 p.m. Central. So if you or anyone you know has been battling various issues and want to know more about the highest success rates that they are seeing with their own patients using stem cell recovery, I would encourage you to share this with them. And below in this post is a link where you can go and register ahead for this meeting, and then you will be sent information on how to join the meeting. So don't miss it. Watch your emails too, because we did send out later than we hoped the recipes that we did for our Valentine menu class. They were wonderful. We had no internet this week, so better sooner than later. So watch for your emails, and I really encourage those of you who missed out to be on Zoom Tuesday at 7 p.m. The information alone is worth it, and Dr. Darcy has a great heart. So, and you can ask questions and find out more after that if you want to. Thanks so much. Blessings, and stay safe and try to stay warm. Make some good soup.